So, anyways, kaya whatever yung kanya second of Robert. So, my topic is organization of the report of this first one, the penalties of these unlawful acts. So, number two, sale, trading, administration, dispensation, delivery, distribution, and transportation of dangerous drugs and or controlled precursors and essential chemicals. So these are the penalty rates. The penalty of life imprisonment to death and fine ranging from 500,000 pesos to 10 million pesos shall be imposed upon any person who, unless authorized by law, shall sell, trade, administer, dispense, deliver, give away to another, distribute, dispatch, in transit, or transport any dangerous drug, including any and all species of opium poppy, regardless of the quantity and purity involved, which shall act as a broker in any of such transactions. So, these are the penalty rates. Yung mga unlawful acts, which is una is sell, so mabaligya o dangerous drugs, trade, administer ngayon siya usually umitin sa mga paggamit o na kaya mo inject guys o siya yung inject o mga dangerous drugs na tinatawag na administer. Ang dispense is usually umitin siya sa mga tao na for example, pharmacist. Dispense is siya inihatag sa dangerous drugs which is wala yung prescription sa doctor. Tapos deliver, give away to another, distribute, dispatch, in transit. Aling dispatch is kanyang mga tao nag-alay daligan kayo sa paghatag sa isang kapal. Siya required sa pag-distribute sa isang kalendrish. Tapos, kanyang one shall act as a broker in such transactions. So, pasabot kanyang such as act as a broker. For example, si may tuting kay iba siya na kailangan siyang palit o sa dangerous drug. Tapos, si may silbaro na nasyayaban ang nagpaligya o dangerous drug which is may gamot. For example, si gamot ang nagpaligya o dangerous drug. Tapos, si may tuting kailangan siyang palit o wala siyang malo. Si may silbaro, siyempre initiate kayo mahimo ang transaction. Siyempre nasa tunga pa, siyempre may mga
connector.
Mahimo ang transaction. Muna siya ay act as a broker. So, ang hirap natin ang siya ang life settlement to death with 20,000 pesos to 10 million pesos ang ito para ng tao magmumugit ay yung mga unlawful. The penalty of imprisonment ranging from 12 years and 20 years and the fine ranging from 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos shall be imposed on any person who, unless authorized by law, shall sell, trade, administer, dispense, deliver, give away to another, distribute, dispatch, in transit, or transport any controlled precursor and essential chemical shall act as a broker in such transactions. So, kapag the first time is very first sa dangerous drug itself. So today, ang ihiman ng mga unlawful acts is ang controlled precursor or essential chemical. Ang gawin siya literally yun, naman yung drug, naman siya yung mga elements or ginahanglan para mahimang yung drug. So ang mahimang ko ng mga unlawful acts is like penalty nga ay imprisonment of 1 years and 1 day to 20 years. O kumain siya o 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos. So if the sale, trading, administration, dispensation, delivery, distribution, or transportation of any dangerous drug and or controlled precursor or essential chemical transpires o may tabo within 100 meters from the school, the maximum penalty shall be imposed in every case. So if yung unlawful acts is may tabo within 100 meters at all sa eskwelahan, mga concerned party ay mga tao is ang yang i-impose sa penalty sa maximum sa in every case. For example, Sample na kayo pa o kanina ako ng mga apps kahit mga low-graph yung within sa 100 meters per eskwelahan. So, ipon sa'yo kasi mo pinati ako ng mga case. Okay, i-post. Okay, i-post yung mga. So, for drug pushers, previous minors, or mentally incapacitated individuals as others, couriers and messengers, or any other capacity directly connected to the dangerous drugs under control of persons and essential criminals, the maximum penalty shall be imposed in every case. So, kaso po mga drug pushers na nilagay po mga minors kayo or mentally incapacitated individuals na may mo akas sa couriers and messengers. So, ang maximum penalty na ito na mga i-impose. So, if the victim of the offense is a minor or a mentally incapacitated individual, we should a dangerous drug under control precursor and essential chemical involved in any offense creating provided with the approximate cause of death of the victim thereof, the maximum penalty provided for other procedures shall be imposed. So, ang victim sa ways na ito ang mga alumon at is minor or mentally incapacitated individual. So, ito ang mga dangerous drugs is mostly very close kaya silang so, ang mga tao na involved ito ang mga drugs is ang i-post na pinatay ako isang maximum pinatay sa case. The maximum penalty provided for other restrictions shall be imposed upon any person who organizes, manages, or acts as a financier of any of the legal activities described in this section. So, either person who organizes, manages, or acts as a financier, so masaktan na iba, ang maximum penalty ay i-imposed in every case. So, the penalty of 12 years, around 10 to 20 years, and the present fine ranging from 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos shall be imposed upon any person who acts as a protector, cutter, of any benefactor or beneficiaries under this section. So, ay protector or cutter ang mga lupulaks, for example, na isa tao na bagay sa nila sa television ng bagay sa ginabangan na bagay sa sapat sa mga person in authority pagka nakakala sa protector or cutter. So, hindi mo pinatay kayo sa tapan ka 12 years and 20 years imprisonment and a fine ranging from 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos.
Exclusion temporal, like
So, let's move on to number 8 is maintenance of a gain for research. So, the penalty of life and personal death and a fine ranging from 500,000 pesos to 10 million pesos shall be imposed upon any person or group of persons who shall maintain a clean life or resort for any dangerous drug issues or sold in any firm. So, life and personal death ang mga i-impose sa mga tao na gamitin sa financial gain or life or resort. These are the places where the ano po lang siya or sa drug na po ang selling sa mga drugs or dito magaling ang mga drugs sa mga tao. Ang mga tao na maintain nato, ang yang i-impose sa pinanti sa yaris, life imprisonment to death or fine of 100,000 pesos to 10 million pesos.
Karam na yun.
So, the penalty of life imprisonment ranging from 12 years and 20 years and a fine ranging from 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos shall be imposed upon any person or group of person who shall maintain a deep, life resort or any controlled person and essential that is used or sold. So, ang person niya is refer na siya sa dangerous drug itself. Ikisa gamitin sa deep or gamitin sa mga places na showing na sa mga delicates na siya i-imprison. So, same person na gano'n ang i-impose sa ating tao or ang pwede na tawari usually yung tumit sa tao. Pero ang ilang i-maintain na rin is din ang drug itself, which is ang control precursor and siya ginagamit sa mga elements sa isang drug registered, delivered, or sold by means of which use the same on such place. So, yung mga tao to nag-organize ang mga day or place na usually mga ano ko lang, ang maximum bilang niya ito sa iya, where niya let kaya mga mayroon sa buwan o registered mga sa iya o buwan ng sa mga mayroon ito mga tao na maximum bilang nila kaya so should any attendance grant with the proposed cost of the net person using the same instruction in person, the penalty of death and fine ranging from 1 million to 15 million pesos should be imposed on the retailer, owner, and the payor. So, if ito mga ano po natin is ito mga dangerous drugs is okay mga process sa tao na namatay. So, ito mga tao na pwede ang tagya ko ang pwede ang siyempre siya ang pupukadang case na which is penalties, life, death, or fines ranging from 1 million pesos to 15 million pesos. If such deemed life resort is owned by a third person, the same shall be confiscated and exchanged in favor of the overland, provided that the criminal complaint shall specifically allege that such place is intentional use in the furtherance of the crime. So, isa ka place or isa ka establishment kaya is third person or pwede siya ka nang impulse sa kayo silva. Siya ang place gamit sa verso. Ang iyang property kaya publish sa government with the state provided that the criminal complaint shall specifically allege that such place is intentionally used in the furtherance of the crime. So provided further that the prosecution shall prove such intent on the part of the owner to use the property for such purpose, provided finally that the owner shall be included as an accused in the criminal complaint. So if there is prosecution na katong nangyari sa place is delete ka siya or nakakalan na o chance or nagugod ko siya nagamigo na siya intentionally sa katong mga ano ko lang sa kanyang property posible siya na makapil sa criminal complaint so posible siya na makapil sa mga tao na the maximum penalty provided under the section shall be imposed on a person who organizes activities acts as a financial payee and legal activities provided in this section. So the penalty of 3 years and 1 day to 20 years of imprisonment and a fine ranging from 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos shall be imposed upon any person who acts as a protector, care, or payee violator of the provisions under this section. So for example, naisa tao na ano siya, kanang cases, pinahimuan o legal activities, illegal drugs. Tapos kung siya na kanang case, ginagamit. Tapos wala siya tugas ng mga authorities. So, pwede siya kanya sa sector o other, hindi siya kanya mga places, mga confiscate or mga sakal sa personal authority. So, ang iyang ipon na ito, ay siya sa sector o authorities. Penalty of 12 years and 20 years and finally, 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos. So, number 4, employees and visitors to a team, like our resort. The penalty of imprisonment ranging from 12 years and 1 day to 20 years and the fine ranging from 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos shall be imposed upon any employee of a day, like resort, who is aware of the nature of the place as such, and any person who, not being included in the provision of the next specific paragraph, is aware of the nature of the place as such and shall not be visited. So, ano siya mga penalty ang impose any employee of day, kung isa mga employee ang mga place na ginagamit sa illegal activities of dangerous drugs, and another way, any person who, not being included in the provisions of the next specific paragraph is aware. So, if you check out, dili ka ng employee or carrying a